Hi, this is attorney Stephen G. Cobb, and I'm really excited to tell you about something I'm extremely passionate about. I've been practicing criminal defense law since 1990, and one of the things I've noticed over the years is basically you have two aspects of a criminal case. And I talk more about this in the section on Florida criminal law about what happens next in the legal process. But to just break it down and make it real simple, there is litigation, when a case goes to trial and all of the things you do to prepare for litigation. And then there is mitigation, all the things you prepare to do for plea bargaining. Now, lots of my colleagues do a lot of the technical things correctly for how to settle a case. And for the moment, we're going to take the whole trial process and just forget about it for a moment because most cases settle. That's the truth. So how do we handle that? Well, one of the things that is most innovative about our law firm is we're the first law firm in the United States, if not the world, to use neuroimaging for damage control in criminal cases. What do I mean? Well, take a look at the pictures on the screen right now. Those are pictures of a healthy, normal range brain image. And when you see the next set of images, this set of images right here, you can see these are completely different. A lot of different things can harm the brain, and we all know that human behavior is a direct result about everything we think and feel and how well the brain is working. When you or a family member finds yourself in legal trouble, not once, not twice, but over and over again, or in a relationship that's having significant problems leading to an arrest, or in whatever aspect of life, you have things that just aren't going right, and then boom, you or someone you love gets arrested, we know that every single time when the brain is imaged, there are going to be health problems that are undiagnosed or diagnosed incorrectly. Well, how do we use that in a criminal case? We don't use it in front of a jury. We don't use it to say somebody is not guilty unless it's by reason of insanity, and that's very rare. The way we use it is very simple. Florida law provides a particular section of law that says you can have a non-incarcerative sentence or a diversionary sentence that kicks the case out of the legal process entirely and results in dismissal if there is a mental health condition or physical disorder and the individual in question is willing to go through diagnosis and treatment. We use a type of diagnostic procedure involving psychological evaluation, psychiatric evaluation, and most importantly, brain imaging. Why? Well, think about it this way. If you had, a small child that fell and they got hurt and they were taken to the hospital and the physician said, looks like a broken arm or leg, but the doctor wasn't willing to do an x-ray, you would pick your child up, take them right out of there, and you would go and get an x-ray because even if you're a lay person, that just makes sense. You know that. Well, think about the brain. How many times do people get put into counseling programs or they're having chemical surgery performed on their brain and no one's even bothering to look at it? Well, with today's technology, using the best experts in the field, it's possible to look at the human brain and use it in negotiations with the Office of the State Attorney, or, if necessary, even use it in the courtroom to explain why someone deserves a break they ordinarily wouldn't be entitled to. Now, what's truly revolutionary about our approach is that, unlike most criminal defense law firms that basically rely on practicing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and by the way, criminal law, and they're going to recycle the same clients over and over again, our goal is different. Our goal is to bring real value to you and your family and your loved ones. Our goal is to solve the behavior problem that leads to repeat crime, that leads to unhappy lives. Because quite often, when people talk to me, they've never had a great day with the police. Also, they have two problems at the same time. Problem number one, they have a behavior problem. That's why they're in trouble with the law. This just makes sense. Secondly, they have a legal problem that can result in jail or even prison. So the thing to do is to solve both of those problems, and it's one area of our law firm. Now, it's not all we do. We do the technical aspects of litigation, trial, and the various different things that criminal defense and DUI defense lawyers do. But if you find yourself with your own personal circumstance or someone you love having a problem emotionally, behaviorally, and ultimately, bad decisions leading to getting arrested and then prosecuted, give us a call, because our mission, our goal is to solve two problems at the same time. The way we look at it, our core mission is to solve the problem of crime one person at a time, and that may be with you or someone you love. Thank you.